Hi guys, Miss Patterson here. I want to do a demonstration for you guys to help you figure out or understand why cells have to be so small, why we as humans or as large multicellular organisms can't just be one massive globule cell, why we have to be made up of hundreds of thousands of billions of tiny little cells. So to do that, I'm going to do a demonstration here for you using, as you can see on the dot cam, using these what we call diffusion cubes. This is basically Jello. Excuse me. Do use gelatin to make this. This gelatin contains ammonia, I'm sorry, which is a strong base. Additionally, the reason why it's got this pink color is because there's a chemical known as phenolphthalein in it. Phenolphthalein is an indicator. It indicates when a base is present in a solution or a substance. It turns pink in that base, hence why we have our pink cubes. Now, what we're going to do with these cubes, you can say if you think about the three bears, we kind of have a daddy bear cube, a mama bear cube, and a baby bear cube. These cubes are going to be immersed in vinegar, and if you remember from our acids and bases discussion a few weeks ago, a vinegar is a weak acid. It contains acetic acid. That vinegar is going to diffuse or move into the cubes. As it does so, as it replaces the ammonia in the cubes, the part of the cube, at least part of the cube, will become clear because now phenolphthalein is no longer in the presence of a base. Now it's in the presence of an acid. So I'm about to drop these cubes into vinegar. We're going to let it sit for probably 10-15 minutes, and then we'll come back and see what happened to these cubes and I'll discuss what's going on. So again, I'm going to take these cubes. I'm going to move my cups into place. We got 3 cups. And then I'm going to take 1 cube and place it in each of the cups. I'm mainly just wearing the gloves so my hands don't stink. Because then I'm going to take the vinegar. I'm going to pour it so that it basically covers the cubes. I may have to get a little more. Yep, didn't pour quite enough. Give me a second. Let me grab some more. So now I've got my jug of vinegar. And I'm going to pour just a bit more to make sure that all of our cubes are immersed. That big cube is a little bit too big, but that's okay. So now we're just going to let it sit. And while they sit in the vinegar, that vinegar is going to diffuse or move into the cells, into the agar cubes. And then we'll come back, like I said, in about 10-15 minutes. I will cut them open so you can see what happened, and you will hopefully be able to visualize why cells have to be small, why they can't be massive, monstrous daddy bear cubes. See you guys in a little bit.